Well, hi guys, my name is WadderC2 from uklocksport.co.uk. I've done a video of this master padlock bump key, and it's just another quick video due to me getting a few of my locks back that I lent to a friend, and I'm going to bump this master 03. See the top again, I like to show is the bump key, and the one below is the working key. On the other master padlock that I actually bumped, it was an all-weather with quite a big sort of shrouded area just there where the sort of clasp went over to stop rain getting in, so I did need to use like a little rubber spacer, but on this one don't need to use any spacers. That's locked up. Pop the key in, show it not working. And like I've said before, you can draw the key out so far. Like one click is the general rule, but again this one does actually like being drawn out quite a bit more. Slight tension. And again, as I've said before, they do go in one crack. At other times you've got to give them quite a few. As you can see, that went in one. So it's a fantastic bump key, it really is. So that's locked up again. I'll give it one more go. See, it's locked up. Draw the key out. Tad more than usual. Slight tension again. And another sharp crack. Bumped again. So that really is a fantastic key, guys. It bumps master padlocks open really well. So come and join us on the forum, guys, at www.uklocksport.co.uk. When on the forum, visit our store specialkeys.co.uk, where you can literally purchase these special keys. We hold competitions, so like I say, come along and join in the competitions. You can win sort of padlocks, you can win pick sets, you can win bump keys, you can win master keys, you name it. So we all have a lot of fun on there, guys, and like I say, if you're newbies, come along and join, especially because if you've got any questions at all, get away on your keyboards and just ask away. And as I've said before, no matter how silly you think your question is, we've all been there. So ask away, guys, and we'll give you all the help that you need. So thanks for watching that, guys, and might I also add that we update the store weekly with different products. So again, it's well worth coming to join, and all the products at specialkeys.co.uk you will pick up at bargain prices. Again, thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.